Welcome guys, it's Sharita Japan and welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I make this mini carrot cake, then stay tuned. Okay, so now I'm starting with 1 cup plus 2 tablespoonfuls of flour, a half teaspoonful of baking powder and a quarter teaspoonful baking soda. So here I added a quarter teaspoonful each of cinnamon, nutmeg, clove and ginger. Some of these are 100% optional, but it makes a huge difference. Next I'm going to add 2/3 cups of grated carrots, a pinch of salt and a few raisins, and then coat well. Now we're going to combine a quarter cup of sugar with a quarter cup of canola oil. To this we're going to add 1 egg and whisk until combined well. I then added in a splash of soy milk. Now I'm going to add my dry ingredients in 2 parts. Stir well until combined, and then to this mixture I added in a heavy splash of brandy and some vanilla. I actually forgot to add my walnuts to my cake mixture, so I decided to make some candied walnuts using a tablespoon of granulated sugar and some butter, and I stir this until everything is melted and combined well until it looks like this. Separate it very quickly on a piece of grease paper so that it doesn't stick together once it's cooled. So here's my carrot cake right out of the oven. It's cooled, and I decided to sweeten some cream cheese, and then I added those candied walnuts on top as a garnish, and I mean, look at this deliciousness. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Remember to share, like and subscribe. Until next time, bye!